So this is gonna be the beginning of my little update vlog. Not going anywhere, but Miata's on the trailer. The Miata's going somewhere. And she's gonna get fixed. Yeah, tighten that. Just gave Tyler my list. Show them what we got planned. Yes. Wow. Yes. Good morning, everyone. Today is November 26th. Yes, it's November 26th. I'm currently on my way to Tyler's house because after I gave him the list, we kind of just went our separate ways, and these past few weekends for both of us have just been filled with family stuff and like other things, and we just have not had time to get to the Miata. But today is the day. November 26th, mark in your calendars, it's the day Kylie started working on her Miata. But yeah, I'm like 45 minutes out now. I'm just going by myself. Mike wasn't feeling good, so he stayed home. But yeah, I will catch you guys when I get there. Okay, so we just got here. First order of business, I'm gonna wash the Miata. It's a little dirty. Little puppy baby. Car's clean for the most part. Gonna move my car so we can move that one so I can go in, but it looks like I have a new passenger princess. Sorry, Mike, you've been replaced. Took a little bit. Good? Yeah. You guys wanna laugh? He goes, "There's no prop." Fuck you take me as. Of course there's no prop. Just stick it in there somewhere. I don't know. Yeah. Oh. Fuck it. What are we doing? Fuck it, we ball.
These should really have clamps on them.
I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, bro. I'm be totally honest, but like we winging it. Oh my god, no, it's going down. Right now we're just like unclipping and unplugging everything, which we should start putting fucking buckets underneath to catch the coolant and oil. Progress so far. Little dilemma though. All my bolts are stripping, so I'm gonna have to get new ones, but hopefully we can just get them off. It's not good. Looks like I need a throttle body cleaning. I told Tyler I never drove a car without power steering, and he wants me to turn the steering wheel to get a taste of what it's like, because I want to delete mine. So like, let's test this out. Oh my god. Oh, you just lowered it. Okay. Okay, yeah, that's gonna get annoying. That's gonna get annoying. I don't think I'm gonna do a power steering delete anymore. Damn, I need to hit the gym. I'm like slacking on. Taking the pictures to make sure it's timed right. I'm so scared for this part. This is like the scariest part. Oh my god. Do they have letters on them?
Yes.
Oh,
remember
wow.
when I said the Z is here and then the other Z is there? Like,
oh boy, oh boy.
Oh, okay. Well, okay.
You're giving me false hope right now.
I'm sorry.
It's like suspension.
Yeah, it's okay. I just made myself look like an idiot.
Okay,
that's tight.
No. try the other one.
It's rotating the whole thing. I don't want it to spin the whole thing.
Should I take the other one and go the other way?
No, I have a better. Go.
Come out easy.
There's two.
We got it. We got it. Fucking got it. We got it, Tyler. Well, you got it. But we got it.
Hey, I have a question.
What?
How do you flip these up?
Well, I'm gonna go home soon, but as of right now, Tyler's pulling my rad out right now with the fans connected. As you can see, he got a lot done today. Go, Tyler. Woot woot. Yeah, we gotta unscrew it. Next time I'm here, though, obviously we're gonna be pulling more if Tyler doesn't do that during the week. And I'm going to screw in my new fans into my rad. And then, yeah, more to come, more to come.
Happen. Oh, so you knew it's gonna happen. That's why you didn't offer to help me, you dickhead.
Alright, that concludes today's section. Find out what happens next. Next time on Kylie Miata. I don't fucking know. Okay, well, now I'm on my way home, so see you guys next time. Please like, comment, subscribe. I actually don't know, should I make this a whole thing or should I make separate episodes? You tell me. Let me know. Okay, so this one I'm obviously going to make into a single episode, so you guys can comment below what you'd like to see if you want something short like this. If I were to combine everything along the way, I feel like it would be longer than the 7 minutes we have here. With this little clip at it, it's going to be 8. I forgot you guys aren't here with me editing. But a little behind the scenes of what goes on at Kylie Miata's house, you know? Anyways, see you soon.